In today's video, I'm going to share a new website with you which you can use to start mining TRX or Tron token for free. This website is called TRXmining.ltd. As you can see on their homepage, this is a website for TRX mining. Since it's the early days of this website, they are giving us a lot of free bonuses. For example, in here you can see for the sign up, you can get 5000 gigahertz per second on sign up, and then free 5 gigahertz per second for every referral. So the earlier you start, the better it will be for you. I have already started mining on this website and I suggest you start as well. I will put the link down in the video description box for you. So let's scroll down and see what else they have to offer. 3 easy steps to success. The first one is register. All you need is an email address, TRX wallet, and a password. That's all we need to do to register on this website. And then the second step is bonus. Get free bonus of 5000 gigahertz per second. And then the third one is earn. Transfer your earnings to your TRX wallet in minutes. So and then down in here we have the affiliate program. Earn 10% plus 5 gigahertz per second is 0.1 TRX from every deposit your invite partners make. And down here you can see the statistics. It's been 5 days that this website is running and they have a total of 17,133 users. A total deposit of 14,027 TRX, and then total withdrawal 581. And then down here in the payouts section you can see the deposits and withdrawals that people have made in this website. You can see that this guy has made 26 TRX deposits and another person with 5 TRX and then with 4 TRX of deposits. And then on the right side you can see that this person by the name of Samilullah has had a withdrawal of 101 TRX, and then another person with 38 TRX. So that means the website is quite new and it seems like it's a legit website. So now let's go up and I'm gonna show you how you can start earning TRX on this website by clicking on this button that says get started, or you can go up here onto the right side and click here that says get started. Once you do that, it will take you to a page where you can create your account. So to create your account, you need to give your username, a valid email address, your TRX wallet address. Now if you don't have a TRX wallet address, I have already made a video on that, how you can create a TRX wallet. So I will put the link down in the video description box and you can watch that to create your own TRX wallet. And after that you need to give a password and then repeat that password. Then you need to click on this captcha where it says I'm a human. Once you resolve that captcha, then you can come down here and click on this button create account and your account will be created. Once your account is created, come here and click on login button. Here provide your TRX wallet address and password and then click on I'm a human. Once you solve the captcha, then click on login. So this is the main dashboard of your account, and here you can see your total balance, active hash rate, and then your daily earning. And then the last thing you can see on your main dashboard is your affiliate link. You can share this link with your friends, and if they use this link, you will also get some bonus, which will be in the form of hash rates. One thing that I want to show you on this page is the bonuses area. So let's click on that. So as you can see in here, the total bonus I have is 18 gigahertz per second, and you can claim your bonus every 3 hours. On this side where it says like referral commissions, you will see a button. Once you click on that button, you will get 3 gigahertz per second of bonus. So for me right now, I have to wait for another 46 minutes to be able to claim my bonus again. And the next button is referrals. Let's click on that. Right now I have a total referral of just 0, and referral commission I only have 0, and the referral earning balance is also 0 TRX. It's because so far I have not invited any friends or referrals yet. And here is my referral link. I will make sure to put it down in the video description box. And then there are some other buttons like withdrawal history. I have not withdrawn anything, and also about the deposit transactions, it's also I have not deposited anything yet. And then we have the withdraw button, and here you can withdraw your Tron tokens. As you can see, minimal is 30 TRX and plus TRX fee. Down here you can see that I only have 2.7 TRX right now, and I will not be able to withdraw because I need a minimum of 30 TRX plus 6 TRX fee. And the other button is deposit, so we can buy some hash rates for our account. 1 gigahertz per second would be 0.05 Tron. So if you want to make deposit in here, you need to copy this payment address, and then from your Tron wallet you need to send some Tron, and then you will be able to get more hashing rates on your account. So that was a quick review of the TRX mining website that I shared with you today. Please make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you want to earn some TRX tokens, so make sure to click on the link down in the video description box, and I will see you guys next time.